Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be day 2 of working on the Scion FRS, making it a little bit more track ready. So for those who haven't seen day 1, please go back and watch that. What we did was we installed differential bushings and subframe bushings from Whiteline, trying to get the rear a little bit more stiffer. We replaced our lower control arms and our tow arms over here with SPC suspension, trying to dial in our alignment for the track. So what we're going to do today is we're going to finish off with new sway bars front and rear. So if you go back to my last video, what I did was we already removed the stock rear sway bar. Pretty easy. It was 4, I think, 12mm bolts, and then remove the end links, and then just trying to pull it out with the aftermarket exhaust was pretty hard. Not impossible, but just pretty hard. So now I'm gonna get with the unboxing of our new Swaybars. So obviously we decided to go with Whiteline everything. I'm gonna get this unwrapped and show you what they look like. Alright, let's start this install. Gotta slide it up and over the exhaust. Alright. The sway bar has to go around this to the front, but it won't fit. My plan is I'm gonna have to install these braces that'll go right here. So regardless, I'm gonna have to remove this bolt. So what I'm gonna do is try to lower these arms to where I can slide this in, because I'm too lazy to remove the exhaust. I'll probably do that. Sounds like more work, but I'm gonna have to do this regardless. So all I gotta do is take off an extra bolt. No biggie. That's one. All right, now I got both sides removed. Hopefully they're in. And grab this, put that on. Just gonna thread them in a little bit. All right, now to reinstall these. All right, now that the sway bar is in position, we're gonna install our braces. Slides right in, bolt in there, and this should reinforce this brace that holds our sway bar. All right, for the record, did make a mistake. If you see these holes, they go on the bottom. Apparently these are side specific. Alright, so what I realized about these adjustable end links is, according to the instructions, depending on how stiff or how soft you want it, you use spacers. Now that I know I can use these end links, because at first I thought I was gonna have to use these old crusty ones. So luckily I can use these. Now I'm gonna get to installing, put it on the softest setting possible, and go from there. So right now I just hit it to the, I guess, medium setting, just for ease of install, because I'm trying to finish all this today. And well, if we need adjusting, we can do that later. Finish that off. Then I'm gonna go do the other side off camera and let y'all know. Alright, now we're gonna get started on the front swaybar. Front swaybar, two-way adjustable, and some adjustable end links. Let's get rid of that stock swaybar and then let's get started with this one. Alright, my first step is going to be removing these end links. These actually came with my BC coilovers, so they are adjustable, but I'm going to switch them out for the Whiteline. Just it looks good. That's nice. Take these instead. Alright, got the other side off. Move this, push it down. Now I have access. Actually, these were pretty loose. Good thing I took them off. Alright, now that we're under the car, for our sway bar, we're gonna have to remove 2 bolts up here in the front, these 2 bolts in the back, same thing on the other side. Got 1, 2, 3. This one's actually longer than the rest. So the one that goes here is going to be the longest bolt out of the 3. See, it's already getting loose. Just gotta undo the other side now. Alright, that should be it. Wow. We have 2 plastic clips holding this up. Amazing. Alright. Take 2 now. Yeah. Alright, so it is gonna be a 12 and a 14. Just gotta get under here. Oh. Stock bracket. Now I gotta do this other side. So now we can really see the difference between the two. we'll be able to make it either softer setting or stiffer setting based on that. Do get new bushings included, which is a plus. And we get these locks, which are gonna be the same as these stock ones, and that prevents it from going back and forth. All right. Oh, yep. Now we're gonna lube these up before we can install our nasty OEM brackets. Got that done. Gotta slide these nasty OEM back on. Try to put this nut back on. Alright, it's pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll meet you guys under the car. Alright, now for the hard part of trying to put everything back. I guess the only downfall with this is we're adding weight. So now the issue that you might face is installing these. The length might have been shortened, so if I try to put this up, the hole's here but the threads are over here, so I gotta shift it after I just tightened everything down. All right. Okay. There we go. Now I'm just gonna lightly turn them all in and then make sure my sway bar is right in the middle. Then we can get started with the end links. All right, guys. Well, my camera did die midway, so just to finish off this video, in short, just tighten everything down. Reinstall the end links is just as easy as the 2 bolts. Did go and testing it out, making sure everything was tight, no like cracks, rattles, anything like that. Everything sounded perfectly fine. We did get a lot less body roll, which is what we're aiming for, but not too stiff where the rear will just like break loose on us. So really happy with this install. I'm trying to leave a link for the Whiteline end links because I do believe they have really good products. Yeah, so please like, share, and subscribe. Comment, let me know if you like this video or not, if there's something I should change. Yeah, give me feedback. I want to know how I can make these videos a bit better for you guys. And yeah, hope you guys like it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.